This is where it starts. You take the nice clean yellow road, 76, or you take the little purple one. That's where the fun begins. These guys know it. They have the motorcycles. They can go faster, even better than what I'm going to do. I was in comfort mode, so it was really hard. I did not know how to climb or downshift, so that was a little difficult, but I managed. I was over braking, but at the end of the day, I made it. So now I know. The BMW 330ci has the sport mode, which may be kind of dodgy to use today, but the manual mode would be a good one because I would be able to not ride so much on the brakes, but actually manage to control the car in terms of how quickly or slowly it would advance based on the gear that I set out.
I think South Grade Road and up Palomar Mountain. At some point we got to turn, but I'm not sure where yet.
The scenery is amazing, but if you can keep your eyes off the road, you are missing out. So you gotta stay focused and not get distracted with your camera. So you must get a GoPro or something to that effect, so you can capture the scenery, but at least keep an eye on the road. As someone said, where you look, the car will go. Told you. Tape that in a minute. While you're enjoying your scenery, you may notice that there are sounds of rally cars, sport cars going up and down the hill, maybe even motorcycles, and it's part of their track because this is the most one of the most technical rides that someone can take if you're gonna win. Okay, so we are going to keep going up. We are up from about 6,000 feet. We're going to head up to about 8,000 feet and then head our way down towards Anza Borrego. So enjoy the ride. You will notice that the pine trees have now given way to smaller bushes, and we will be going towards the desert. So there will be lava rocks, few more hills, Anza Borrego, and then we'll end up at Borrego Springs. That was a reminder bump to tell you that there would be cows on the road. We're heading to a lake, so please subscribe and see you in the next one.